This is a differential pressure sensor which measures the difference in pressure before and after your DPF. It is supplied with 5 volts, it has a ground connection and it has a signal connection. It has 2 hoses, one going before the DPF, one after the DPF. It converts that into a voltage, and as the pressure changes, the voltage changes and is sent out through the signal connection. Inside, basically got 2 piezo elements there, and they sit directly above these 2 pipe connections, and as the pressure changes in those 2 hoses before and after the DPF, they will flex these 2 piezo elements. As these 2 piezo elements flex with the changes in the pressure, their resistance will change, and so therefore the voltage that is flowing through them will change. Those 2 voltages combined before and after the DPF is then converted into a signal. So this is another type of pressure sensor, but just a 2-wire. It's a knock sensor, and so it produces voltage, and we can see when we apply vibration to it, it produces a voltage. So the DPFs always have 2 pressure lines, one before and one after the DPF, and these 2 pressure lines go up inside the engine bay. This is on a Kia Sportage, and with your multimeter connected to battery negative. The differential pressure sensor is just at the back here. It's got 3 wires, and on one of the wires you should get an earth. On the second wire you should get 1 volt with the engine off. On the third wire you should get 5 volts, which will be your supply voltage. And on that second wire, if you rev the engine, you should get a change in voltage.